Before you continue Grammar Made Easy, I'd like to share a few thoughts with you. First, you don't need to remember everything. If you understand just one new idea today, that's enough. Grammar is not something you collect. It's something you slowly become familiar with. And second, don't worry about making mistakes. Every learner makes them. In fact, trying to make your own sentences is one of the best ways to learn. Third, don't rush through the lessons. It's perfectly okay to watch the same lesson again. Sometimes understanding comes a little later, and that's completely normal. Finally, remember why you started learning Korean. Maybe you enjoy Korean dramas. Maybe you love K-pop. Maybe you are simply curious about another language. Whatever your reason is, I hope learning Korean brings a little joy to your day. Thank you for learning with Talkin Korean. Let's keep going, one small step at a time. See you in the next Grammar Made Easy lesson.